Oh, oh, rain on the tin roof, slow and steady. Cooler in the corner, ice rock ready. You laugh as you fumble with the bottle top. Little hiss, little fizz, then the caps all drop. Rainy weekend in the Marianas. We pass the bottles, share the drama. Every flavor hitting just right. Smoke in the air, we go late into the night. Rainy weekend in the Marianas. You lean on me, say you wanna stay right here, right here, right here. Chessa on the table, auntie calling names. Plates keep stacking, we playing games. You pour me a taste, say try this one. Sip too quick, tongue gone, oh that's strong, yeah. Grill smoke curling, flip that steak. Cousin at the fire, who want play? For nodding on the side, make the eyes go wide. Touch your lips, then your hips start to wind and glide. Coolers lined up like a family tree. Green, gold, silver, that island chemistry. Everybody sipping what they like, no stress, only rule tonight. Fam first, say yes, yeah. Rainy weekend in the Marianas. We pass the bottles, share the drama. Every flavor hitting just right. Me and you swaying in the kitchen light. Rainy weekend in the Marianas. You lean on me, say you wanna freeze this night, this night, this night. Thunder in the distance, but we feel safe. Your head on my shoulder, I love that weight. Ice still clinking, stories getting loud, but it's you and me inside the crowd. Oh yeah. Rainy weekend in the Marianas. We pass the bottles, share the mana.